welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make party popcorn. This is something that I made for my family anytime that we get together for any kind of special event, and the kids are always requesting it. And since tomorrow we're going to go and look at Christmas lights, I thought I'd make a batch and show you how it's done. You can make as little or as much as you want. I'm going to just make the 1 cup full. And the rest of the ingredients, I'm not going to follow any kind of measuring, but it's really just an eyeball and see how much you want to make. I mean, there's really no going wrong with it.
And maybe so did you, that everything would change.
Now, I just happen to use my air popper, but you can use pre-bagged popcorn, microwave butter popcorn. It's really no difference. You might think that it tastes strange with the butter popcorn, but it really doesn't. It tastes really good. And you can't go wrong with whatever candy you add to it, because honestly, when you add the almond bark, the little squares, everything just blends in together. So you can't go wrong. It's addictive, so make sure you make plenty. I'm going to put some of my popcorn in here just so that I have enough room to mix things around. And like I said before, I'm going to eyeball a lot of these ingredients. I will add pretzels. I recommend adding whatever chocolates you're going to add after you've added your almond bark, because that will melt it. Here you can go ahead and mix it. I'm using my hands, they're clean. You can use a spoon if you'd like. I'm also going to add Christmas Captain Crunch. We have it. I bought it at Sam's, like 2 bags of it, and my grandson is tired of it, so I'm trying to use it up. But it adds a nice texture and a nice taste. I am going to mix in, I'm probably going to start with 4 bricks at first. Or we just stick the whole thing in there. Dang. Yep, let's just stick the whole thing in there. I stuck the bark in the microwave for about 1 minute, and it gets soft. It may need to have like another 30 seconds. Let me try and move it around and blend it. Yeah, and I need to mix it and put it in for another 30 seconds. Okay, so I just stuck it in there for another 20 seconds, and it's totally melted now. I am going to mix part of it in here. Don't add all of it at first, because then it just ends up sitting at the top. Mix it up together, and then you can add some of your candy to it. If you put your candy in the beginning, it sinks to the bottom, and then all you end up is with candy, because you don't think you have enough in there. Trust me, I know from experience.
With a smile as quirky as mine, we're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love.
Okay, so in here I'm going to add I'm going to put some milk duds. I only just recently started adding milk duds, and they are good.
Let me give you a Christmas.
And then next I'm going to put some M&Ms. These are probably just a little bit too big. I probably should have stuck with the mini M&Ms. you cannot go wrong when you're mixing your ingredients in. I mean, it really is just whatever you prefer to have. Why don't I just put both, right? Okay. Yeah, I like the way the little M&Ms look. What else is I gonna put? Sprinkles. This is just a little more over the top, but it's Christmas time. So why not?
Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Once this cools, I can put them in little bags and put a ribbon at the top so that all the passengers in the car each have a bag when we go and look at Christmas lights. That one's all mixed up. I'm going to let this sit aside and mix up the other batch.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
There you have it, party popcorn. I hope you'll give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas